Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice Oxford white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the mobile office package, bed utility package, black appearance package, and the tow and haul package. Taking a look at the back here, we do got dual exhaust, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch. We do get a tailgate step as well, mud flaps on the rear, a nice gripped black running board, side view camera, spotlight, and turn light, and blind spot detection, mud flaps on the front. We do got a black hood deflector, front park sensing with 2 tow hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space with a B&O Sound System. You've got cup holders, 12 volt, 2 USB seats at 120, and of course you can lift up the seats for additional storage, and you do get a flat fold storage system. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats, the same leather interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space with that same B&O Sound System. You do get BLUECRUISE in this vehicle as well. Parking brake, pedal adjusters, lights, spotlights, and tailgate opener all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 9.7 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at your main screen here, we have My View, Trip and Fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have a leather-wrapped gear shift, speed adjusters. It's also collapsible. More storage with cup holders. Wireless charging pad with a USB and USB-C. Leather-wrapped center console. That does turn into an interior work surface. And we do have heated seats, dual climate. You'd have your drive modes, rear locking diff, and 4-wheel drive. Trailer brake, pro trailer assist. Got a 12 volt and 120. Got storage above and below. Storage right here with a handy rear window opener, as well as our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. You have auto stop, auto start, 360 view of the vehicle, park assist, hazards, traction, and that BLUECRUISE again. Looking at your screen here, you do have your navigation, your audio, which does have Sirius XM capabilities. You got your phone, there's that navigation again, Fave apps such as messaging, email, all that fun stuff. Apps in general such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Settings. And your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FB67061, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.